I'm going to talk about some things that I'm working on. I'm going to talk about this vlog and how it's been a bit different, and I'm going to talk about process. So pretty much, I started this vlog because I wanted to get better at filmmaking. I want to be a filmmaker. I want to make full-length films, all that kinds of stuff. And one of the things that I've noticed when I'm watching some of these guys that are really amazing, like Peter McKinnon and Maddie and Chris Howe and all those guys, those are like the three mains that I follow. Shout out. And one thing that I notice with them is that they're really good at what they do. And they didn't get there overnight. They've been practicing, they've been pushing, they've been grinding, as the kids say. And I know that I need to put a lot of effort in if I want to get good at what I do. Pretty much, I got home and I went and I just took some shots of my car. Like, just did some B-roll of my car. But I was really intentional about it and I was really trying to do it well. One of the things I'm not the greatest at is planning out shots. And I didn't necessarily plan the shots, but I had a point and I had a focus. So, yeah, it's my quick little thing. I hope to get back into full-length stuff soon. Yeah, I gotta do some things, and I have some things in the works. So, I think that's it. That's all I want to say. Peace out.